Next topic is the principle of superposition of the waves. It states that the net displacement of any particle of the media at a given time is the algebraic sum of the displacements due to the individual wave. Suppose we take a case of a stretched string in which two waves are moving and the displacement of the media particles due to these waves are given by phi1, which is a function of position and time, is equal to a sine kx minus omega t. And this wave is traveling in plus x direction and phase is kx minus omega t. Similarly, another wave is y2 and it is given by a sine kx minus omega t plus phi. It is also moving in plus x direction and its phase is kx minus omega t plus phi. Here phi is the phase angle. These two waves have same magnitude, or we can say amplitude, and the same frequency, that is omega. Now applying the superposition principle, we will have the net displacement will be equal to the algebraic sum of the displacement caused by the individual waves. And solving it, y1 is a sine kx minus omega t plus, and y2 is a sine kx minus omega t plus phi. Here a is common, so it is taken out, remaining is sine kx minus omega t plus sine kx minus omega t plus phi. Now applying the trigonometric formula, that is sine c plus sine d will be equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So it will be equal to a 2 sine, suppose this is c and this is d. So 2 sine c plus d by 2, that is kx minus omega t plus 5 plus kx minus omega t and divided by 2. Similarly, cos c minus d, that is kx minus omega t plus 5 minus kx minus omega t and divided by 2. So it will be equal to, this is a 2 which is taken out, this is 2a sine c plus d by 2, this is kx 2x 2kx. Similarly, omega t minus 2 omega t plus 5 divided by 2, and cos, this is kx and this is minus kx, so it get cancelled. It is minus omega t and this minus minus become plus, so this omega t get also cancelled. So it is 5 by 2. Therefore, rearranging, we will have 2a cos 5 by 2 into sine, and simplifying it, we will have kx plus minus omega t plus 5 by 2. So it is the resultant displacement of the particle, and putting into the standard equation, we will have, this is a sine kx minus omega t plus 5. Hence, we can conclude that the amplitude of resultant displacement A is equal to 2 cos 5 by 2. This implies that A will be maximum and will be equal to, this is 2a when phi is equal to 0. That means when waves are in same phase, then their maximum displacement get added and resultant maximum displacement will become the 2a. Similarly, A minimum will be equal to 0 when phi equal to pi. That is when the waves are superimposed in antiphase or out of phase, then this phi by 2 becomes pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So minimum amplitude becomes 0. Second is the phase angle of the resultant wave will be equal to phi by 2. So superimposition principle is applicable for more than two wave also. And when wave travel into the same media, then there may be two situations arises. First, if waves travel in same direction, then this led to stationary waves. And if waves travel in opposite directions, these results into the beats. These two phenomena will be discussed in detail later. Let's take some problems.